carries all colors, this train. This train, it carries all colors, this train. Red and yellow, black and white, working all day, loving all night. Ain't no racist on this train. On this train, we love our country. On this train. On this train, we love our country. On this train, we know what's right and what's wrong. We stand for our national song. This train is a Trump patriot train. This train don't carry no fake news. This train. This train don't carry no fake news. This train. No CNN, no NBC, no propaganda, no siree. This train is a Trump truth train. This train don't carry no assholes. This train. This train don't haul no assholes. This train. No LeBron, no De Niro, no Meryl Streep, no Ruffalo. This train is a working people train. There ain't no Bernie or AOC on this train. There ain't no Bernie or AOC on this train. Got plenty room for libertarians, got no seats for totalitarians. This train, it's a capitalism train. Now this train don't ride no writers. This train. No BLM or Antifa commies on this train. Don't carry no police defunders, no Democrat funders. This train is a law and order train. Now this train is a mighty righteous train. This train is a mighty righteous train. We got faith, we're climbing higher. Good Lord knows we got the fire. This train is a mighty spirit train. This train is a Trump victory train. This train is a Trump victory train. He's gonna keep things great in all the 50 states. This train, it works for the USA. Keep America great. 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 Keep America great.